Welcome to the bridge of Bluey. We thought we'd do a quick video on what this is going to look like after we've finished it.
It's kind of a blank canvas right now. Lots of potential. I'm looking forward to really making this area feel like a shipper's hut.
A shipper's hut. This is the top of Bluey. It's going to have a specific purpose because it's not part of the main living area.
No.
It's kind of like a bonus area where it's going to be nice to hang out. It's going to be a bit more raised. It's going to be very light.
Yeah.
So we wanted to try and reflect that.
We've collected a couple of inspirational photos.
The top one up here, what did you like about that one there?
I like that it feels like it's really a headquarters kind of vibe, a little bit boaty.
What's clear to me already is that a lot of these designs which you've picked out are very kind of wood-based, a combination of painted and raw wood.
I like the combination of wood with something clean.
One of these designs has a quirky floor.
Yeah, I like the steering wheel area, and I think we can do a similar thing with our steering wheel area. Obviously, we're going to replace the steering wheel because right now it's way too small and it's not an actual steering wheel for a boat. It would be nice to create this sort of desk around it where we can put like quirky items like binoculars or a map or whatever. I like the final flooring of it.
Sort of combination of classic Scandinavian marine style with little quirks and flourishes, but mainly it's going to be a practical, comfortable living space.
Yeah, desk and chill areas. If you need to steer the ship, you can sit behind the steering wheel and also have a little desk there. This will be a room for our coats and shoes as well, so yeah.
Well, that's the other thing, right? It's going to be the welcoming area of the ship. This is going to be the main entrance to the ship as well, so it's going to have that functionality.
Yeah, it'll be a combination between an entrance room, a study, a chill out room, and a shipper's hut.
Great.